What if you could have a companion that would never leave, never age, and never die? Well, now you can. The only catch, it's a robot.
你好呀。
Chinese company UBTECH has unveiled what it says is the world's first companion humanoid robot. It features soft, warm skin, human-like facial expressions, and the AI-driven ability to have and remember conversations. Unlike most humanoids, which are designed for work or help around the house, this robot has one purpose only: to ease the owner's loneliness.
No human relative or partner can accompany us through our entire lives. Only our ultra-bionic robots can share such an intimate bond, staying by our side from birth until death, and offering us unconditional love and trust.
They're customizable and can be built to resemble your favorite fictional character. They can even be made to look and sound like a loved one, using photos and voice recordings.
Only Nathan.
If that sounds familiar, it's because this concept has been explored for decades in science fiction.
I'm Rachel. You feel our work is not a benefit to the public.
The company behind these robots say they'll never be able to replace real human relationships. But that's exactly what they're designed to do, be a companion for the lonely, a stand-in for an otherwise absent person. And whether you think that's a good thing or a bad thing depends on your perspective. Psychologists warn against using technology to mimic human connection, saying it can do severe harm to people's mental health, especially those who are already vulnerable and isolated. But the firm says the business case is sound. They're targeting a market of 120 million single and 320 million elderly people in China. It doesn't come cheap. A tabletop version costs around $18,000. A 183 centimeter tall masculine model will set you back $145,000. In case you're wondering, this robot is designed to meet only emotional needs. And what do you get for your money? I tried talking to one.
What are your hobbies? Do you have any interests, any hobbies?
Seems there are a lot of issues to iron out before they're delivered in September. The company says this is only the beginning, that eventually every household will have a companion robot. Katrina Yu, Al Jazeera, Shenzhen, China.